This story starts 4 years ago when we ate the best sandwich of our lives in Ortigia, Sicily.
This man in Sicily makes the best sandwiches in the world.
So good. I've been dreaming about this sandwich. This sandwich alone is worth the trip to Sicily, but there are actually many other beautiful parts of this ancient neighborhood of Syracuse. This is our new boat, by the way.
Yes.
I wish.
I wish to.
These trees. You see these trees?
Beautiful.
So over on this side, we have the salty seawater, but over here, you have a freshwater spring. This is called the Fountain of Aretusa. And it's famous throughout history for being a place for people to come and get fresh water right by the sea. A lot of mythology is around it. The legend goes that the nymph Aretusa and the goddess Artemis went out hunting together. After a long day, they found the river Alpheus and decided to bathe. The god of the river, also the son of the god Poseidon, saw Aretusa and instantly fell in love with her, transforming himself into his human form. This frightened Aretusa, and she began to run and beg the goddess to help her. Artemis took pity on her, clothed her in clouds, and transformed her into the spring so that she could escape. We're really close to the point, so let's go ahead and walk down and see if we can see the castello. The Point of Ortigia.
It's beautiful. By the way, guys, bring sunglasses.
Alessio keeps forgetting his sunglasses. I don't know what you're doing.
Well, how many days we are in Italy? 17?
11?
11 and never wear. And
I don't understand. You hungry? He's on the hunt for something good to eat.
Something spectacular. It's different.
Va bene così, cari? Ok, signora? A posto.
Voleva proprio che mangiaste quelle create qua da lui per voi.
Da quanto tempo è che avete finito?
No, oramai sono 13 anni.
13 anni, è iniziato tipo fa, giusto?
Allora, diciamo che la reale storia non è proprio così,
Ok.
cioè nel senso lui era un ambulante, aveva come vedete un po' qua per la frutta e verdura, aveva un banco e la notte produceva i formaggi e la mattina li vendeva. Poi io ho finito gli studi in economia a Milano, mio marito è un ingegnere meccanico e diciamo 15 anni fa è nato questo progetto qua dentro, fatto insieme, mio papà, mio marito.
E tu? Quindi tu, cioè, partita dall'idea, tu hai
Sì,
cominciato
sì,
e
sì.
con tuo marito e tuo papà
Sì,
insieme.
sì.
E qua sono i panini più buoni del mondo. Garantito. Garantito. No, garantito. Look at that. Huh? Bro.
I've been dreaming about this sandwich.
Sicily.
Guys, the cheese. The cheese.
It's so fresh, right?
Something spectacular. The cheese is amazing.
È buonissimo.
How you remember from 4 or 5 years ago?
Even better. I swear myself, and I hear it's even better.
I'm sad to only take one sandwich. I want to try every type of sandwich they have.
It's unbelievable. The mozzarella there,
It's so good.
caponata there. Everything is fresh ingredient, you know. So it's messy, but
Messy is the best though.
yeah, but
When it's messy, you know it's good.
it is even better than what we ate 4 years ago.
I know.
Like, guys, you have to come here and eat it. Like, really, if you have a food like us, this is it.
And the atmosphere is fun.
Oh
too.
yeah, it's the market. And it is really nice. Kind of selfish.
I know. I don't want to finish because it means it's over. But you know what? We can always get another one.
This you should bring to US back.
I wish. I wish. If this place opened a store in the US with the same level, I would move to that city just so I could eat sandwiches every day.
No, really, the flavors are unbelievable. Like all fresh, but I don't know how to describe.
Tastes like Sicily.
It is like Sicily, but can you describe?
Nope. That's the best I can do. It tastes like
If you
Sicily.
never taste Sicily, real Sicily, I think before come here, you take this sandwich. This is really the best panino in the world. I know it's a delicious. I'm really,
You look sad, hombre.
you know, when I eat really good, I go and watch it. It's different. I'm sad to finish.
Ciao, little sandwich.
Ciao, è stato un piacere. Le papille gustative sono...
Oh, happy dance.
Mettiamo nei nostri panini la nostra mozzarellina affumicata, la crema di ricotta,
Crema di ricotta.
e sì, basilico, menta e scorze di limone, caponata, ricottina salata, ok, questo lo lasciamo vegetariano per chi vuole il vegetariano, per chi non lo vuole vegetariano lo mettiamo con carne e la facciamo bello infuocato questo panino. Poi dolci si in fondo.
Oh,
Pronti?
eccolo qua, perfetto. What do you think about Ortigia?
I think it's one of my favorite places in all of Sicily. There's the atmosphere is nice with all the historic buildings. It's very alive. There's lots of color and interesting sounds. It's just really lively, beautiful place.
It's a beautiful place, Ortigia.
I love it. I could stay here for multiple days personally.
Guys, remember, sunglasses and
And maybe
water.
a hat
And a hat.
some water and maybe some breathable clothes.